Hi guys, good to see you again. Today you will learn how to make and use the simple future tense. Let's start with the positive or affirmative form. To make it, we need a subject, for example, I, will, and the infinitive form of a verb, for example, cook.
I will cook. You will cook. He will cook. She will cook. It will cook. We will cook. You will cook. They will cook.
To make the negative form, we need a subject, will, not, and the infinitive form of a verb, for example, study.
I will not study. You will not study. He will not study. She will not study. It will not study. We will not study. You will not study. They will not study.
To make questions, we need will, a subject, and the infinitive form of a verb, for example, go.
Will I go? Will you go? Will he go? Will she go? Will it go? Will we go? Will you go? Will they go?
And to make WH questions, we start questions with question words such as when or what.
What will I cook? When will you go? Where will he sleep? Who will she marry? Why will it rain? What will we watch? How will you fix this? When will they start?
And now that you know how to make the simple future tense, let's talk about how to use it. We use it to talk about spontaneous decisions made at the time of speaking.
Oh, the bags are so heavy. I'll help you. I don't feel like cooking tonight. I'll do it then. I'm really thirsty. Can I have some water? I'll bring it to you.
We use it to make promises and offers.
I promise I won't tell anyone. Promise me you'll wait for me. Will you help me later?
We also use the simple future tense to express beliefs about the future.
I don't think it will rain tomorrow. Do you think she'll succeed? It'll be a nice day. People will be smarter in the future.
And now let's do the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!